Welcome to Seattle Bakery Training Tutorial. Today we will be learning to make the Crown Danish. To make Crown Danishes, you will need breakfast roll icing, apple filling, raspberry filling, cream cheese filling, and lemon filling. Remove the Danishes from the freezer. Place 12 Danishes with the flat side down onto a clean lined sheet pan. Following the build sheet, pipe the filling onto the center of each Danish. Bake the Danish in a preheated 325-degree oven for 18 to 22 minutes or until golden brown in color. Next, we will show you 3 ways to string ice the Danish. To use a string icer tool, dip the tool into the heated breakfast roll icing and quickly move it back and forth over the Danish. To use your hand, dip your gloved fingers into the heated roll icing and with fingers spread, move your hand back and forth above the Danish. Lastly, you can fill a pastry bag with heated roll icing and pipe the icing onto the Danish as shown. Thanks for watching.